What's up, YouTube family? It's your boy King Josiah, and today I'm diving deep into YieldMax ETF portfolio. I'm gonna show you how I took my investment from just $3,000 all the way to $50,000 of potential cash flow. Yes, you heard that right, $50,000. This is not just about numbers, it's about the mindset, it's about the grind that it takes to make this happen. Stick with me as I break this down, my December payouts, my distributions, and how I'm planning to level up for 2025. All right, so before we get into the numbers, I just want to let y'all know about December. December, it was a crazy month. You know what I'm saying? The markets was moving. My payouts dropping and my portfolio is doing what it do best. It's creating me consistent cash flow. The YieldMax ETFs that I'm investing in, they aren't just some side hustles. This is my strategy to build generational wealth. And if I can do it, you can do it. So, all right, so we're going to be getting into specifics of the December distribution payouts. It was a total of $174.73, as you can see right here. Now I got paid from Tesly and NVIDIA, YMAG, Apple, APLY, YieldMax, SCHD, ULTY. But we gonna start all the way from the top, and we gonna start all the way from the bottom. So first we gonna talk about YMAG. YMAG is a weekly dividend. It pays you weekly. This was my first week owning YMAG, the Magnificent 7. It paid me a total of $6.37. Now, this is a weekly payout, okay? So YMAG, as you can see a YMAG right here for the 6. And you can see another YMAG right here for the 16, $3.86. So it pays you weekly for the first week. I think YMAG, it did pay higher. I'm just gonna double check on the phone right quick. It paid out 0.27 cent per share for the payout of December the 6th, which is it's cool. I own 27 shares of YMAG. I will be buying more, but for right now, that's how much shares I own of YMAG. Next up on the list, we got NVIDIA. Now with NVIDIA paid out a distribution rate of 1.18 cent per share owned. So NVIDIA paid me a total of $41.48. You want to add that $1.18, so around like $43. I own 36 shares of NVIDIA. Okay, so I'm cool with that. NVIDIA, I am currently down 7%. The overall market is down right now, so it is what it is. But if you did not put no money in yet, this is a good time to put in some money to a few stocks that was on the list. Next up on the list, we got YieldMax. This is also a weekly paying distribution dividend. Okay, so YieldMax for the month of YieldMax, I got paid on 12/13. Let's see what the distribution rate was. All right, so 12/13, YieldMax, it paid 12 cents per share owned. And for YieldMax, I own 33 shares. So I only made 0.86 cents. Well, it might be a little low because at that time, I don't think I owned that much YieldMax. Now that I'm thinking about it. So at that time, I probably did not own that much YieldMax. That's why I got such a low payment. Now we got Alti, ticker symbol ULTY. Now this is a monthly paying ETF, and Alti pays. I own 59 shares of Alti. I am down 10% on Alti, so I'm thinking about averaging down. I got my average price right now is $10.18. Last price of the stock was $9, so I'm thinking about averaging down if I'm already down 10%. Alti, it paid 70 cents per share owned. So if I own 59 shares, Alti paid me $37.59 plus $4.25, so around like $40. And I'm trying to figure out if I did. Yeah, so when the Alti paid me, as you can see right here, I did buy more Alti at $10, but at first I only owned 46 shares. So that payout was probably from only my 46 shares on, not my 59 shares on. Now we got YMAG again. YMAG this week paid $3.86, which was much higher. Let's check the distribution. It paid $1. It paid 16 cents per share of YMAG owned. So I own around like 33 shares of YMAG, something like that. So $3.86. Remember, this is a weekly paying dividend, okay? Well, did I just say YMAG or YMAG? Oh yeah, YMAG. Now we got SCHD. I did end up selling my SCHD. I'm gonna tell you why I did sell it for more. I think I sold my SCHD for YMAX. I'm pretty sure I sold it for YMAX. And the reason I sold SCHD is because I do also own it in my slow growth portfolio. So I figured if this portfolio is more based on income based and fast growth, I should sell my SCHD for a stock that's really paying. But it did end up paying me $3.17 for that dividend. It is what it is. We got YMAX. It paid me $4.59, which is not bad. YMAX was probably, let's check it paid me 13 cents per share for YMAX, okay? And YMAX paid $4.59, so that was on the higher end. We got YMAG. It only paid me 0.12 cents per share. It only paid me 12 cents. So I'm gonna check that right quick. 19. YMAG, it paid 5 cents per share that week, okay? So some weeks on YMAG and YMAX, you might have a low week, you might have a high week, okay? It is what it is, okay? I only own 27 shares of YMAG, so I'm not really expecting a big payout from them because I don't really own that much shares. Next up on the list, we got Aptly. It paid me $6.74. I think for Aptly, I own about maybe around 20-something shares. Let me double check. Aptly, I own 16 shares, okay? For 16 shares, and it paid out a total of 42 cents per share owned. So Aptly, I do like Aptly. I think I do like the NAV on Aptly. I am green on Apple. I'm only up less than 1 cent, but I still am green on the stock, especially while the market is dipping right now. We got another payment from YMAG. It paid $1.48. Nvidia, I didn't even know Nvidia gave me a distribution. It gave me 3 cents. I only own about 3 shares of Nvidia, so it's really nothing. And last but not least, we got Tesly, ticker symbol TSLY. This has been the strongest growth stock so far. Tesly, I own 63 shares. It paid $1.28 per share owned for the month of December, which is pretty good to me. Tesla has really been consistent with paying around 90 cents to $1.20 per share. So I really do like Tesla. And if you look at the Tesla stock and then you look at the Tesla stock, Tesla follows the Tesla chart, which I think is very good. I do like seeing that, and I do like knowing that with 2025, whatever Elon Musk got going on in the White House, if you like Elon, you like him. If you don't, that ain't got nothing to do with me. I got plenty of things to say about him, but if he got some money coming to the table, I'm gonna go hop on the boat. So I'm gonna go that way. So, but I am down. Tesla, I am down 4%, down $41. Tesla, it is a good stock to buy right now, man. It's real. It dipped. But as you can see, the price went all the way up to $16.76. Price almost went up to $17. Price is currently at $14.27. Now, this is the perfect time to get in. Now, even if it does drop a little more, it can drop, okay? But I'll say you would like to buy as close to this blue line as possible, okay? Because as you can see, Tesla, as you look at the Tesla chart, it might go under this blue line for some time. Which it might be this blue line is probably the EMA line. I really don't know for sure. But as you can see, man, we can look at the Tesla chart. As you can look at this Tesla chart, and then we gonna go to the Tesla chart. Same, we gonna stick to the week chart, man. It literally follows the same chart pattern. As you can see on Tesla, man, we in a you know, it went all the way up to almost 480. Tesla went up to 488, and I guarantee it's gonna hit 500 soon. But like it said, it went all the way up to 488, so it just gotta come cool down for a second. So this is the perfect buying zone right in this area, right over here for Tesla or Tesla. But I'm going with Tesly because it's cheaper and it pays me a dividend monthly. Now, looking ahead for 2025, my focus is on scaling this portfolio with $3,000, but now I'm aiming to take it even further. My goal is to reinvest these payouts, grow my holdings, and hit that 6-figure cash flow mark. This is about discipline, consistency, and most important, believing in the power of compounding. Listen, if you're just starting out, do not get overwhelmed. It's not about how much money you got to invest up front. It's about staying committed and taking the action with what you got. Build the habit and the wealth will follow. 25 is going to be a big year, not just for me, but for all of us chasing financial freedom. If you're watching this, I want you to know that this isn't just my journey. This can be yours too. You got to stay hungry, you got to stay consistent, and you got to remember to take that small move you make today. It will set you up for life. If you can turn $3,000 into $50,000 cash flow, imagine what you could do if you start right now. Let's make 2025 the year that we really stand on business. And before we wrap this up, I want to hear from y'all in the comments. Just let me know what your goals is for 2025. If you think about getting into YieldMax ETFs, or if you got a different strategy, you know, let me know in the comments. And if you got value out of this video, make sure you share with a friend, smash the like button, and subscribe to the channel because I do got some new videos dropping.